Hello children, let us continue the lesson. The coastal plains. Okay, in our previous class we discussed about that western coastal plains and also the eastern coastal plains. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the islands. There are many different islands what are related to our country. Okay, means that is comes under the country of India. Many different islands are there in the part of Arabian Sea and also the in the part of Bay of Bengal. Okay, let's discuss about that islands. Next topic is the islands. See here, island means what are the island? What islands related to our country means majorly Andaman and Nicobar and also the Lakshadweep. Okay, so first one is Andaman and Nicobar. In this islands, first one is Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. See here, these Andaman and Nicobar Islands are comes under the part of Bay of Bengal. Means in the part of western side of eastern side of the country. Okay. Means previously we know that India is covered by majorly means three side also covered by the water. Means it has covered by the sea or a ocean. Okay. You already know about that. So in that part, in the part of Bay of Bengal, these Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located. Okay, see here, refer that map given in page number 48. Okay, they have given about that Andaman and Nicobar Islands also. So these Andaman and Nicobar Islands, okay, that is one of the group of nearly 300 islands. ಓಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈ ಅಂಡಮಾನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಕೋಬಾರ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಬೇ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ water is called as the island. See here, this is one of the land surface. If this land is completely surrounded by the water, middle is land means we are calling as a islands. You already know about that, no? So in that islands, these Andaman and Nicobar also one of the island, but that is not a single piece of land. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಅಂಡಮಾನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಕೋಬಾರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ 300 island group ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 300 group of islands are that comes under the major island of Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, and also what we are discussing, what we are telling now, southernmost tip of India calling as a Indira Point. Then what is the northern tip of India, northern ending point of India, that is Indira Col. Okay, so that Indira Point also comes in the place of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Understood? Indira Point also. So next about that Lakshadweep Islands, that is also another one of the major island of our country, that is Lakshadweep. So Andaman and Nicobar Islands are comes in the part of Bay of Bengal, but this Lakshadweep Islands are comes under the part of Arabian Sea. Okay, in the part of Arabian Sea we can see this Lakshadweep Islands. How that Andaman and Nicobar are one of the 300 group of islands. No, like this Lakshadweep is having a group of 30 islands. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂಡಮಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಕೋಬಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, 300 ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಕ್ಷದ್ವೀಪ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 30 ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ವೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ that islands are formed by the corals. Means these islands are called as the coral islands. Coral island means what? Coral means nothing, that water, that is one of the deposit of skeletons of dead animals. Okay, that part, that thing is called as the coral. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಕೋರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೆಲೆಟನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಡೆಡ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ವಾಟ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಕೋರಲ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಲಕ್ಷದ್ವೀಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋರಲ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ these two means Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep, These two also one of the union territory of our country. Understood? That is union territory. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar and also the Lakshadweep. Yes. Next about life in the western coastal plains. Next about life. Okay, means life in the western coastal plains. So those who are living in the part of western coastal plains, what is the living style, lifestyle of that people, how we discussed in previous lessons also ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಯಾವ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ life of the western coastal plain. Now we are going to discuss in the part of western coastal plain. Okay, first state comes in this means that is Gujarat. That is Gujarat. Okay, so what is the capital of Gujarat means that is Gandhinagar. You already know about that. And also what are the main occupation of the people those who are living in Gujarat. Okay, that is one is trading, another one is farming activities. Okay, one is trading, another one is farming is the main occupation of the people of Gujarat. And also what are the main crops they are grown there in that part. Okay, considering about that availability of the water also. So jowar and bajra are one of the main crops. With that main crops again they can grow that sugarcane, cotton, groundnut and also the tobacco. Okay, what it shows, what are the crops they are grown? No, they are growing in that area of Gujarat. Which type of soil they are having in that area? We already discussed about that ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. This sugar cane, cotton, these all are grown in the soil of black soil. Means black soil is suitable for the cotton, sugar cane and also groundnut. These are all a variety of the crops. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, next about the industries. What are the main industries are located in the part of Gujarat means there is very famous is textile industry and also petroleum. Okay, fertilizer, salt also one of the salt manufacturing industry, also one of the very important industry in the part of Gujarat. With that diamond cutting industries also there. Means what are the famous industries are there? One is textile industries, another one is salt manufacturing industries, next one is fertilizers, diamond cutting. These all are the famous industries of Gujarat. And also with that all textile, these all things, dairy farming is one of the main industry of the Gujarat. What we people are using, that Amul product, that is one of the dairy product. Okay, that Amul product industries also located at Gujarat. Okay, means they are sending to other part of the country. Amul product, dairy farm, or that is one of the dairy product. Okay, so next about the languages. What about that regional language means Gujarati is regional language and also traditional clothes. Okay, so women are wearing saris and also lehenga. What about men's means they are wearing that churidars and also angrakhas. That is one of the dressing style of the men. Okay, of the ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಜರಾತ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಯಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲೆಹಂಗಾಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್, ದಟ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಚೂಡಿದಾರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂಗ್ರಖಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ, ಮೇಜರ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗುಜರಾತ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ Ahmedabad. Okay, Ahmedabad is one of the major city of Gujarat. And also what we are studying in history, okay, we already know about that one of in the period of Gandhiji. Okay, popularly one place is very famous, that is one of the Sabarmati Ashram. Okay, Gandhiji's Sabarmati Ashram, that is one of the very famous part place in the historical incidents. Okay, in the especially in the period of Gandhiji. So that also located in the part of Gujarat, Gandhiji's Sabarmati Ashram. And also that Gir forest. Okay, Gir forest means it is popular for the Asiatic lions. How we previously discussed about that Kaziranga National Park located at Assam alva, ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ದಟ್ ಗಿರ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ದ ಏಷ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಲಯನ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏಷ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ that is one of the tourist attraction, and Sabarmati Ashram, these all are the tourist attractions in the place of Gujarat. Okay, next about Maharashtra. Next state is Maharashtra. So about this Maharashtra we already discussed in previous lessons. Okay, so simply I want to say very few sentences about the Maharashtra. There is no need to explain again and again the same topics. Okay, in previous lessons also we discussed about some states comes in this part, comes in the part of coastal region. Okay, because these same states are comes in the part of southern plateau also sometime. Okay, so no need to say again and again, no need to explain again and again same matters. So next state is comes in the part of that western coastal plain is Maharashtra. That Mumbai is one of the very famous part, and also popularly it is known for the purpose of largest port. Okay, Mumbai is one of the largest port in our country, and also that deposit of petroleum, one of the places called as Bombay High. Okay, that place is very famous for the deposit of petroleum. ಬಾಂಬೆ ಹೈ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟಿನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Next, these about the this much only mentioned in your textbook. I thought this much enough because previously we discussed. Okay, so next about Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, we already discussed about these all states. So fastly I want to explain in that next class. Okay, up to here, up to Maharashtra, you have to read this lesson. Okay, thank you.